Here I have CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open contacts, tap skip, so then you should go to these three stripes, then go to settings, and here you can find import. So then you select SIM card, OK. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, so then you just tap import, and as you can see now I have these contacts here on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.